Do you guys use these in your kitchen? Sponge on one side, abrasive pad on the other. Don't get me wrong, the abrasive pad, I use it all the time, but the stainless steel on our stove cooktop is destroyed from scratches. You guys see these scratches? Look at them all. If you're like me and you hate the scratches, we're gonna try the at-home scratch be gone kit. If I mess it up real bad, it just gives my wife a reason to get a whole new stove.
Add a little bit of the cutting lubricant to the stainless steel pad. Then, work it in the same direction as the grain. Finally, buff it out with the microfiber cloth.
You can see where this has been cleaned around the burners, and then this is over here. So most of them are gone, and all that grain is going the same way now. It is working.
I tried to use the grip handle as much as possible, which kept even pressure on the pad.
If you have some deep ones, you work up to the next most abrasive pad. You can get all these scratches out. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look good, but you gotta take your time. Let's keep going. Do we know who scratched this? Was it?
It wasn't me.
Can you tell what side I've done? Where I'm working?
This side.
Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, no scratches.
It's working, eh? Don't touch that, that's the secret stuff. I am super happy with the way this turned out. You definitely can't get every single scratch out. Essentially, you're re-scratching the top surface of your cooktop. It's a little nerve-wracking at the start, but I promise you, stick with it, take your time, and it does pay off. Ta-da!
Wow!